Most people throw away the most powerful parts of the moringa tree, leaving the real medicine behind. While the leaves get all the fame, the vibrant flowers and crunchy seed pods are the true secrets to unlocking peak vitality. Today, we are transforming these ignored superfoods into a gourmet feast for your health. What if I told you that the most powerful parts of moringa are the ones most people throw away? Most people know moringa for its leaves or powder. But hidden inside this plant are several overlooked parts that traditional healers have used for centuries to boost energy, stamina, and overall vitality. In fact, some cultures even call moringa the tree of life. But here's the shocking part. Many of the most energizing nutrients are found in parts of the plant people rarely talk about. Today, we're uncovering the forgotten parts of moringa that can naturally boost your energy and vitality. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last one might be the most powerful part of the entire plant. Before we reveal the hidden parts, let's quickly understand what moringa actually is. Moringa comes from the tree Moringa oleifera, a fast-growing plant native to parts of Africa and South Asia. For centuries, traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda have used moringa to support energy, immunity, digestion, brain function. What makes this plant special is its extremely dense nutrient profile. It contains iron, magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, antioxidants, but most people only consume one part of the plant. Let's explore the parts that many people overlook. One of the most overlooked parts of the moringa tree is the seed. These small seeds contain healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential amino acids that can support energy production in the body. Traditionally, moringa seeds have been used to improve stamina, support digestion, provide sustained energy. They also contain compounds that may help support healthy blood sugar levels, which can prevent energy crashes. But moderation is important. Most experts recommend consuming only a small number of seeds per day. Another powerful but forgotten part is the moringa pod, often called drumsticks. These long green pods are extremely popular in traditional dishes in parts of Asia and Africa. They contain vitamin C, fiber, calcium, iron. The combination of these nutrients helps support muscle energy, digestive health, nutrient absorption. In many cultures, moringa pods are used in soups and stews specifically to restore strength and vitality. Few people realize that moringa flowers are edible and highly nutritious. These delicate flowers contain compounds believed to support energy metabolism, hormonal balance, circulation. In traditional herbal practices, moringa flowers are often used in herbal teas to help reduce fatigue. Some people also add them to soups or stir-fries. Their mild flavor makes them surprisingly versatile. Now, this is one of the least talked about parts of the plant. The bark of the moringa tree has been used in traditional medicine systems for centuries. It contains bioactive compounds that may help support circulation, inflammation balance, physical vitality. However, this part is typically used in traditional preparations, not everyday food. So, it's best used with guidance from knowledgeable practitioners. Another rarely discussed part of the moringa plant is its root. Interestingly, the root has a flavor similar to horseradish. Historically, moringa root has been used in small amounts to support digestive stimulation, circulation, energy levels. However, it should only be consumed in very small quantities because it contains strong compounds. This is why most modern supplements focus on safer parts like leaves or seeds. While moringa leaves are widely known, most people use them incorrectly. The leaves are packed with protein, iron, antioxidants, chlorophyll, but the key is how they are consumed. Some of the most energizing ways to use moringa leaves include smoothies, herbal teas, fresh leaf salads, lightly cooked dishes. When prepared properly, moringa leaves can support natural energy without caffeine crashes. Even though moringa is a powerful plant, balance is important. Here are a few tips. Start with small amounts. Choose high-quality sources. Avoid excessive consumption, and if you have medical conditions or take medications, it's always wise to speak with a healthcare professional first. The moringa tree truly lives up to its nickname, the tree of life. From seeds to flowers, pods, and leaves, nearly every part of this plant offers unique nutritional benefits. But the most powerful discoveries often come from the parts people forget about. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves natural health remedies. And tell me in the comments, which part of moringa surprised you the most? You might inspire someone else to discover the incredible power hidden inside this amazing plant.